Gohar Textile Pvt Ltd.
Gohar Textile is a vertically integrated textile mill, starting from its own state-of-the-art spinning, weaving, dyeing, printing, and stitching and quilting. Gohar Textile has wide and diverse range of products to offer. We take pride in being the one-stop factory for home textile buyers in Pakistan. Gohar Textile was established in textile town of Pakistan, Faisalabad in 1990. However, its roots can be traced back to 1980 to a humble beginning of a family business in small town of England. Today, Gohar Textile employs more than 4,000 team members. Our goal is to become market leader of innovative and sustainable home textile manufacturing. We are one of the few to qualify for the Made in Green logo in Pakistan. We are always initiating new and innovative ways to protect the environment, whilst at the same time ensuring our customers' requirement and quality standards are fulfilled. Our spinning is equipped to make up to 3 different blends of raw materials with capacity of 30 tons per day. We are producing yarn from 60 NE to 16 NE. Yarn is the key of the fabric quality, and it is very important for continuous quality to have control on spinning process. Having spinning under one roof gives us advantage to control our quality and transparency of the materials used in the process more effectively for our valued customers. We are producing GOTS certified and GRS certified yarns. Also, multiple projects on innovative sustainable materials are under development. Our spinning mills are one of the energy efficient mills in the region, with less carbon footprints per ton of yarn compared to regional industry average. Gohar Textile has weaving capacity of up to 7 million meters per month, with its production facility of 850 looms, including 350 latest air-jet machines and 500 projectile machines. Our machines are equipped with jacquards, dobbies and double beams to cover the wide range of products. We are also investing in renewable energy projects. A solar power project of electricity is under installation with capacity of 250 kV. We are optimizing on the use of the sizing material and also working on new material for sizing which are less harmful to environment than conventional sizing material. Our dyeing and printing factory is capable to produce up to 6 million meters of fabric. Our processing is equipped with state-of-the-art continuous thermosol dyeing, 2 15 colors Regani rotary printing machines, 2 flatbed machines and 2 digital printing machines. We have developed a wide range of specific fabrics and specialize in finest finishes of the fabric. We are continuously investing and upgrading our processing facility to maintain and enhance the quality of the production. Our team is always developing special finishes for our valued customers. We keep strict controls of our effluents. Fully automatic color kitchen and automatic chemical dosing systems are installed in production for efficient use of chemicals to reduce water effluents. Effluent water from the factory goes to our water treatment plant, where it is treated and becomes reusable for irrigation, which is later distributed to local farmers and authorities for further use in agriculture. We have state-of-the-art production facility for stitching, quilting and embroidery. We can produce a wide range of products under one roof with the highest quality control. In our stitching section, we have automatic cutting machines, automatic quilt cover stitching, automatic pillow cover machines, flat sheet and fitted sheet machine. We also have 700 stitching machines for specialized tailor-made products installed on switch tracks, equipped with online turning and threading machines to minimize handling and to maintain the neat and crisp feel of fabric. To support and enhance the value of the products, we have embroidery machines and special machines for special stitching. We are one of the pioneers in quilting and filling in Pakistan. We have 6 latest carding lines equipped with 2 oven, 2 automatic pillow filling stations and 2 loose filling line for single needle. We have 12 fully computerized multi-needle machines capable to produce intricate patterns. In our single needle quilting, we have 18 high-speed machines capable to produce 5,000 pieces per day. Quality control is the key for a long-term business and customers' trust. We have fully independent in-house lab which has earned its trust amongst our customers, and it is certified by Pakistan National Accreditation Council. We have more than 30 tests available on site which helps to control and assure the quality of each shipment. Each shipment is transferred to our warehouse after inspection by our quality assurance department. On required AQL level, we label and palletize up to 7,000 CBM equivalent 100 by 40 containers in our warehouse at any given time to dispatch worldwide according to store-wise requirement of our customers. We understand the importance of investing time and money into research and development, and therefore we have specialized team in each area working solely to ensure that we are always up to date and bringing in newness to the product ranges. Teams are responsible for developing products according to latest trends in material, fabrication, and chemical finishes. Our design team is based in UK, working on the latest colors and design trends. They are constantly developing new designs to fulfill need of our customers. We are always connecting with customers for their feedback for continuous improvement in our services. We look forward to providing our services and products to your business. Gohar Textile, an ambassador of innovation and excellence.